Why does your scanner show the P0871 engine code? What does it mean? P0871 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure sensor, or switch C circuit range or performance. It indicates the TCM or PCM has detected an issue with the transmission fluid pressure signal from sensor or switch C. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed transmission, fluid pressure sensor or switch. Open or short in the signal circuit. Low transmission fluid. Internal transmission problems. Failed PCM. Solenoid switch valve wear. Cross leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mazda, Nissan, Honda, Jeep, Dodge, and GM vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.